Adoption of harvest strategies is of crucial importance to us. Firstly, it gives us confidence as a processor that the stocks are being sustainably managed. So as a company that owns 2 large tuna processing sites on the island of Mauritius, we want a long-term sustainable supply and availability of the raw material. At the other end of the supply chain, we really want confidence in our customers that they can continue to buy our fish and it meets their sustainability requirements. As more harvest strategies are adopted, we can see them becoming an increasingly important part of our sourcing decisions. Combined with other factors where fisheries are reporting data, there are regular stock assessments, there are high levels of compliance, harvest strategies are likely to inform our sourcing decisions. We already aim for Marine Stewardship Council as a standard for sustainability within the fisheries that we source from. One of the key principles, the first principle of the Marine Stewardship Council, includes the provision for good and effective harvest strategies. As well as for sustainability reasons, another key facet to harvest strategies is that they add an element of predictability and certainty. So as a very significant buyer of tuna, this is something that Princes would recognise and appreciate that they bring. So for example, in the Indian Ocean, we're looking for a credible rebuilding plan for yellowfin tuna, which reduces catches in line with scientific advice. And we'd like to see those set out consistently over the longer term so that we in turn can plan for this and the fleets that supply us can plan as well. Poor fishery management has real potential to impact negatively on Prince's bottom line. As a large tuna processor with 2 very large tuna processing sites on the island of Mauritius, we employ 4,000 people and we process over 100,000 tonnes of tuna annually. We fundamentally need a long-term sustainable supply of the raw material. Without that, those jobs, the economic benefit that brings the island, the economic benefit it brings our company could be lost. Harvest strategies are critically important because we need to be playing by a pre-agreed set of rules in fisheries management. We need to get away from some of the politics and horse trading that you see within regional fishery management organisations, where catches are not necessarily set in line with the scientific advice, and we go on an annual basis of negotiations that don't come out with the conclusions that we need for the long-term sustainable management of the stocks. Fisheries managers should listen to the views of retailers and buyers because we are ultimately the end customers and end consumers of the fish that are caught within those fisheries. At Princes, we are acutely aware of our own customer demands. We can see a clear demand from our customers for the sustainable management of the stocks they source from, and effective harvest strategies are one of the best ways of demonstrating this.